Hey, my friends! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. So today's challenge is Would You Rather, but in Gabby's Dollhouse edition. Well then, go ahead and comment your picks as we play, and let's see who's on your team. All right, I can't wait any longer. Let's dive in and have some fun till the end. First one, favorite duo. Would you rather choose Vera and Chumsley over Gabby and Pandy? Next up, which world would you rather live in? The Mercat Sea World or Kitty Fairy's Magical Garden? Both are pawsome if you ask me. Music is on and it's time to choose the song. Which song would you rather choose here? I have to admit that I can't choose. How about you? What would you like to join? A tea party or a disco party? Rate this song from the Gabby's Dollhouse movie. What did y'all think? Is it worth as a masterpiece or just awful? Comment below for us to know. Next, which outfits would you rather choose for Pandy Paws? Is it the mermaid outfit or the fairy garden one? Would you rather buy the pretty glitter kitty litter or just buy smiley pops from the Kitty Rangers?
Kitty litter. It's the litter that glitters.
Kitty Rangers, activate. Kitty Rangers.
Which dollhouse would you rather live in? Chumsley Crazy's dollhouse or ordinary Gabby's dollhouse? What y'all think?
Ring to it.
Playing with all of you in the dollhouse is my favorite thing in the whole world.
Fighting style. Would you rather use the kitty skibidi chop or the kitty skibidi kick? What would you do? Subscribe to Quiz Slice or never watch Gabby's Dollhouse anymore. Easy choice, right? All right, next. Which dollhouse song you like more? Gabby's Pinch Pinch song or the Singing in the Shower one by Vera?
On my left, pinch, pinch on my right. Grab Pandy's hand and hold on tight. Because of my tears, looking out the window.
Would you rather ride those gummy worms for a while or into a cat-tastic race with Carlita?
Just leave me alone!
Turn right. Music is on again. It is APT and let's go for a ride on the track. Which song would you rather listen? Would you press this button like Carlita told you?
What do you think? Should I press it?
What you thinking? I definitely say yes. How about you? Let's tell us in the comment. Which version would you rather choose? The Dollhouse Vera form or ordinary cat Lady Vera? Which cat here would you rather have as your pet? Marlene or Floyd? Which kitty here would you rather choose? Mama box or baby box? Music vibe again. Which one would you rather choose to listen in the morning?
Hey Gabby, what's the big surprise? Hey.
Cakey's Bakey Time. Would you rather eat Snack Smackers by Cakey or Catnip Crunchies? Also by him, spot the 3 differences within these 2 images. Incredible! You found them all! Which DJ Cat would you rather choose? DJ Catnip or DJ Comet? Would you rather choose the Dollhouse Gigi version, or you like her more in real life? If you have to eat one of these 2, which are you choosing? Eat Cookie Bobby or those frosted cookie animal? Limited Event Cat. Would you rather choose Santa Cat or our pirate Pandy Paws boy? Costume check-in. Would you rather choose the evil witch Mercat or that scary cakey ghost? Can you find the odd Mercat witch emoji within all these? What a sharp eyes you got there. You're right, she's here. Would you rather watch the Gabby's Dollhouse series or only into movies? mermaid cat checking? Would you rather choose Shiu Shiu or Sunny Cat? Next stop, Fairyland. Would you rather pick Lulu against Kitty Fairy? Lastly, Kitty Squiddy versus Meowl. Who would you rather choose? And that's the wrap of today's quiz. Did you have a lot of fun with us and all the kitty cats in Gabby's dollhouse? I sure was. Thanks for playing. Remember to smash like, press subscribe as always, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.